This video introduces the key technologies behind the turbo coverage solution. During signal transmission, undesirable factors such as propagation loss, wall penetration loss, and interference exist. Compared with low frequency bands such as 700 MHz, FDD middle frequency band 1.8 GHz or 2.1 GHz has higher frequencies and is more likely to have weak coverage areas, affecting user experience. In addition, as the transmit power of a UE is much lower than that of a base station, uplink coverage becomes a bottleneck. Therefore, how to improve uplink coverage is a key challenge for 5G FDD. For FDD 8T8R, 32T32R scenarios, Huawei proposes the turbo coverage solution, which uses more accurate channel estimation to suppress interference and more intelligent scheduling policies to increase the transmission rate, improving uplink performance. IRC Pro Receiver. The base station receives spatially colored interference that comes with signals from target UEs. Traditional IRC receivers generate interference cancellation signals based on estimated interference characteristics to mitigate spatially colored interference. The interference cancellation efficiency is dependent on the accuracy of the estimation. IRC Pro Receiver uses an intelligent estimation algorithm to enhance the estimation precision of interference characteristics, improve interference cancellation efficiency, minimize interfering signals, and increase the uplink user-perceived rates of UEs in weak coverage areas. Time domain enhancement. Channel environments vary in real time. However, the fixed coefficient filter is unable to track these changes in a time-varying manner, which impairs performance. Turbo coverage uses a time-varying coefficient filter that tracks channel changes to increase the accuracy of channel estimation and improve uplink coverage. Frequency selective scheduling under weak uplink coverage. Due to the poor uplink data transmission quality of UEs in weak coverage areas, the uplink user-perceived rate of such UEs may be affected. The power spectral density can be increased by adjusting the number of RBs to increase the uplink user-perceived rate. The turbo coverage solution uses the function of frequency selective scheduling under weak uplink coverage to select high-quality RBs for scheduling UEs in weak coverage areas. In addition, the number of RBs is adaptively adjusted, and the TB size is increased to fully utilize the air interface capability of the channel, improving the uplink user-perceived rate of the UEs. That's all for turbo coverage. To learn more about turbo coverage, scan the QR code on the screen.